The benefits were with Repairy, everything's digital, everything's on the computer itself, so it actually can't go missing. It's really straightforward to use. So my name's Andrew Pereira. I run Tyre Plus South Melbourne alongside with my business partner Evan. So we were using job cards, paper job cards before, and when it's a busy shop, you know, sometimes you put things here, put things there, then someone else will move them, and then you know you can't find what a customer wants on their car. The good thing about Repairy is it's very easy to manage. We have people in the company as well that aren't the best with technology, but they do understand how to use it just because it is very straightforward. Also, it reminds customers to come back every 6 months to a year, so they get a message to come back and have a look. Good for recurring customers. How it helped our business was it gave us a lot of Google reviews, and right now Google reviews are very important. It's the first thing people check as soon as they actually want to pick a business to go with. I would definitely recommend Repairy to businesses especially, because for one, they keep you very organised. It really helps you stay organised just when it's very simple to input. Everyone can learn how to use it. Very efficient as well.